Welcome to WhiteboardDoodles, the channel where we simplify tech-related concepts using whiteboard animations. In today's video, we will be exploring the basics of machine learning. With the rise of AI technologies, we hear about machine learning more and more often. However, for most people, it remains an abstract concept that isn't always clear or straightforward. Today, we will demystify it and give you an overview of machine learning. So stick around to learn more. First, let's look at what machine learning is. Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence that focuses on enabling computers to learn from and make decisions based on data. Instead of being explicitly programmed to perform specific tasks, machine learning algorithms analyze patterns in data to improve their performance over time. This process involves training models on large datasets, allowing them to recognize patterns and make predictions or decisions without human intervention. Machine learning is widely used in various applications such as recommendation systems, speech recognition, image analysis, and autonomous vehicles, making it a cornerstone of modern technology. As a result, it is often mentioned together with AI, reflecting their close relationship and combined impact on advancing technological capabilities. If you are curious about AI and want to learn more about it, feel free to check out our video on AI basics in the description below. Now, let's look at the different types of machine learning. There are three main types: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Each represents a different approach suited for various applications and challenges. Understanding these different types of machine learning is necessary for applying the right techniques to the right problems. Each type has its strengths and is suited for specific kinds of tasks, making machine learning a versatile and powerful tool in the field of artificial intelligence. Let's analyze them individually to better grasp their unique methodologies and applications. We'll start with supervised learning. Supervised learning is a type of machine learning where the model is trained on a labeled dataset. This means that each training example is paired with an output label, allowing the model to learn the relationship between inputs and outputs. During training, the algorithm makes predictions and adjusts its parameters based on the error between its predictions and the actual labels. This process continues until the model achieves a desired level of accuracy. Supervised learning is commonly used for tasks such as classification, where the goal is to categorize data into predefined classes, and regression, where the aim is to predict continuous values. Examples of supervised learning applications include email spam detection, image recognition, and predicting stock prices. Moving on to unsupervised learning. Unsupervised learning is a branch of machine learning where the model is trained on unlabeled data. Unlike supervised learning, there are no predefined output labels, and the algorithm must identify patterns or structures within the data on its own. In unsupervised learning, the goal is typically to uncover hidden relationships or groupings within the data. This can involve tasks such as clustering, where similar data points are grouped together, or dimensionality reduction, where the aim is to simplify the dataset by reducing its complexity. Unsupervised learning algorithms work autonomously to find patterns in the data without explicit guidance, making it a valuable tool for tasks like customer segmentation, anomaly detection, and recommendation systems. And finally, let's examine reinforcement learning. Reinforcement learning is a type of machine learning where an agent learns to make decisions by interacting with its environment and receiving feedback in the form of rewards or penalties. The goal is for the agent to learn a policy that maximizes the cumulative reward over time. Unlike supervised learning, which relies on labeled data, reinforcement learning involves trial and error and uses a feedback loop to improve performance. The agent explores various actions and learns the consequences of those actions through continuous interaction with the environment. This approach is particularly effective for problems where decision-making is key and involves a series of steps such as robotics, game playing, and autonomous driving. Reinforcement learning has gained significant attention for its ability to solve complex tasks that require adaptive and dynamic behavior. Now that we know what machine learning is, let's see some of its applications in the real world. Machine learning has a wide range of applications across various industries, significantly enhancing efficiency and capabilities. In healthcare, it aids in diagnosing diseases, predicting patient outcomes, and personalizing treatment plans. In finance, machine learning algorithms detect fraudulent transactions, automate trading, and assess credit risks. Retail and marketing leverage machine learning for customer segmentation, recommendation systems, and demand forecasting. In the automotive industry, it powers autonomous vehicles by enabling them to perceive their environment and make driving decisions. Additionally, machine learning is crucial in natural language processing tasks such as speech recognition, translation, and sentiment analysis, making it a versatile and powerful tool in modern technology. In conclusion, we have explored the basics of machine learning, covering its definition, main types, and various real-world applications. Machine learning is a vast field encompassing a multitude of ideas, each demanding detailed explanation to fully appreciate their complexities and implications. As we look to the future, the potential of machine learning is boundless, with emerging techniques and applications set to further integrate intelligent systems into our daily lives. As this technology continues to evolve, it will drive innovation, solve complex problems, and fundamentally transform the way we interact with the world. This marks the end of our exploration of the basics of machine learning. If you enjoyed it, consider subscribing to our channel and liking the video. Feel free to also check out our other videos on related topics. Thank you for watching.